Welcome back to Mahiti Mayaloka YouTube channel. Today, I will show you how to create 3D animation using an AI tool. In this AI tutorial, we will convert any existing video into a 3D animation with just a few clicks. I will also show you how to create your own 3D character easily. By following this step-by-step guide, I hope you can create your own 3D animation movie. So let's get started. But before we do, can you please give me a quick subscribe and comment? It only takes 3 seconds and it helps me a lot. Thank you so much.
To begin using the video to 3D animation converter, you need to create a DeepMotion AI account. You can find the link in the video description. Click the Sign Up button to create a new DeepMotion AI account. After logging into DeepMotion AI, click on the Animate 3D menu. You can follow the guide by clicking the Get Started button. Now, click on the 3D Models menu. In this example, we will use the Ready Player Me avatar generator. First, choose your body type. You can choose the Continue Without Photo option, or you can upload your photo to convert it into a 3D avatar. Next, upload your photo and click Accept to proceed. You can customize the skin color, basic face shape, and various face details like eyes, eyebrows, nose, lips, and hair. Click Next to finish. Now, from the DeepMotion AI dashboard, go to the Animate 3D menu and click on 3D Models. Select your 3D avatar character and click the Create Animation button. Upload your video. In this example, I'm using a dancing video. Rename your file if needed and trim or crop the video using the Trim and Crop button if necessary. Once done, click the Save button. Adjust the settings for your animation, such as the duration, resolution, format, and quality. You can also enable some advanced features such as face tracking, hand tracking, physics simulation, foot locking, hand-to-ground contact, and motion smoothing. Adjust the settings for your video output, such as the background color, camera angle, lighting, and shadows. You can also add some effects, such as depth of field, bloom, or vignette. Click on the Create button and wait for the AI to process your video and create your animation. To make an animated background for our video, we will use Canva, a web-based design tool that lets you create stunning graphics, videos, and animations with ease. Follow these steps. Go to Canva website and sign up for a free account or log in with your existing account. Click on Create a Design and choose Video as the format. Click on Elements on the left side menu and type Animation in the search box. Browse through the results and find a video animation that suits your theme. You can also filter the results by category, color, or style. Click on the video animation and drag it to your canvas. Right-click on it and set it as the background. Download your animated background as MP4 file. To merge the 3D animation and the animated background, you need a video editor like Wondershare Filmora. Import both files into the media library of Filmora. Drag the animated background to the first video track and the 3D animation to the second video track. Click on the 3D animation and choose the Chrome key option. Use the eyedropper tool to select the green color of the background. Resize and reposition the 3D animation to fit the animated background. You can also edit the duration, speed, and direction of both files. For example, we will make the background slower in this case. When you are done, click on the Export button and name your file. You can also change the format, resolution, and quality of your video if you want. This is how your video will look like after using Deep Motion AI. Now you can make your own 3D movie with AI. And that's how you create your own 3D movie with AI using Deep Motion AI. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on using AI to create amazing content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.